Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to study about how to convert ppm to kg per hour for gas or vapor in an airstream. Okay, so students, here in this video, we will first write down the formula to convert the ppm to kg per hour. After that, I will explain you entire formula. Then we will see one real-time example. Okay. So here see formula to convert the ppm to kg per hour. See here now kg per hour is equal to ppm upon 10 raised 6 into Qp upon RT into Mw upon 10 raised 3. Okay, so now see here in this ppm is parts per million. Okay, this is the gas concentration, and see for gases or for gases or vapors ppm is equal to ppmv, that is here parts per million by volume. Okay, this is for gases and vapors. Okay, so here see this ppm, this one and this one is another term. Okay, so here this ppm upon 10 raised 6 is the mole fraction of gas. Okay, so here I'm writing down for you mole fraction of gas, and here this Qp upon RT is total molar flow of air. Okay, so here this term is here total molar flow of air, total molar flow of air. Okay, and here Mw is molecular weight of the gas. Okay, so I am here writing now molecular weight of the gas. Okay, so this Q is the actual airflow in meter cube per hour. Okay, this pressure is in Pascal, or you can call it as Newton per meter square, and R is the ideal gas constant, and T is the temperature in Kelvin. Okay, so this molecular weight of the gas is in gram per mole. Okay, so we have understood now what this formula is. Okay, now let's see one example. Here we will see the example of gas benzene. So here see for example, let's see example here benzene. So benzene concentration is equal to here 1.019 ppm, or we can call it ppmv. Okay, both are ppmv we write down here because this is the general ppm is the general term, and ppmv is for gases or vapors, because it is based on this ppm value is based on volume, that's why. Okay, so here see now q is 5000 meter cube per hour. This is the actual airflow. Okay, pressure is we are taking 101325 Pascal or Newton per meter square, we can call it, it is okay. Now the temperature T is equal to, let's consider as 25 degrees Celsius, or in Kelvin it is 298.15 Kelvin. Okay, mw, that is molecular weight of the gas, molecular weight of the benzene is 78.11 gram per mole. And see here, this 10 raised 3 is we have used here to convert gram into kg. Okay, so further let's put the values in our given equation. So here now I am putting the values. Kg per hour is equal to ppm, we have 1.019 ppm divided by 10 raised 6 into q q is 5000 into p is 101325 upon r. Value of ideal gas constant is, here I am writing down, r is equal to 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin. Okay, so here 8.314 into T is 298.15 into, we have here now further mw, which is 78.11 upon we have 10 raised 3. Okay, and here see this term, this whole term, see here this whole term is called as here gas molar flow. Okay, this whole term is called as gas molar flow. Okay, gas molar flow. So now further seeing, after calculating the in the calci, here we will get here the value is equal to 0.0163 kg per hour. Okay, so students, in this video we have understood how to convert ppm to kg per hour for gas or vapor in an airstream. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.